Hello everybody. Today I am clearly going in stealth mode today because I just can't touch the infinite wisdom of the Cha-Ching Beast, who we all know as Steve Lawson.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
Okay, you can't touch you, Steve. You're absolutely brilliant. You know, I'm just joking with you. Anyways, I loved your video this morning on Pave the Way. So I'm just going to add to that a little bit. Anyway, in nursing, I love overlapping my careers. It's just great for me, and I'm always thinking like a nurse, and I'm trying to think like a marketer. So in nursing, when we have patients, we come up with care plans. So we come up with nursing diagnosis, and then we come up with a plan, and we come up with goals and interventions on how to execute that plan and get their goals or reach their goals, and then we evaluate. And then if there's no change in that patient, we have to go back and reevaluate that patient and come up with new interventions, new goals, and evaluate again. And we have to repeat that process until we see an improvement in our patients. And that's very important in nursing. And it is what I do here in marketing as well. I have my book, I come up with a plan, I put it into action, and then I evaluate it. Did I get any hits? Did I get a cha-ching? You know, and if the answer is no, then I have to go back and write down a new plan. This is what I'm going to try now. And then if I get a hit or if I don't get a hit, I can evaluate it. If that plan worked, then I'll try it again. And if I don't succeed again after my evaluation, then I come up with a new plan. So that's basically what I do every day, and always be looking for different ways and to encourage people to come into ILN and why they should. So with that, I have the passion, I have the drive, and today I'm going to be like Action Jackson and get this show on the road. So I really hope you all have a successful day, and yeah, I hope that you get a lot of cha-chings, and we have a great day today. It's already a great day anyway. I just woke up with that attitude. So again, I will catch you on the flip side, and love you all. Peace out.